Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your water filter housing because my water filter is not working right now. It's broken. I accidentally broke the head of the housing, so I have to change the housing, which is this one right here. So right now it fits there, but it's actually not working. So that's the part I'm changing, and in order to do that I'll have to open up the filter housing, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that. And for that, I think all you need is a screwdriver and then the new part. I'm gonna put the link on the description box below for that part that I bought for this housing water filter, so that you can also buy in case you're having the same issue. All right, let's get started. So like I said, what you need is a screwdriver and then the part that just got delivered from Amazon, and I'm just going to open it up and show it to you. So this is the part. This is how it looks. Like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so you can go and check. So yeah, let's get started. So actually I forgot to mention that you might want to take the plug out, just because it makes a lot of noise, and also, you know, you don't want to change the filter while the fridge is on. So I actually also went ahead and turned off my water supply for the entire house, just in case. So let's get started from the bottom and try to unscrew these. And make sure you don't lose these nails. Okay. So here's the third one. We have 6 in total. Okay, so I've taken off all the nails, and I'm gonna pull this out now. And just keep it aside like that. Okay, now we're going to be unscrewing this one here, because we need the filter housing, the pipe, to come out, because if you don't get this one out, you won't be able to get inside or take the pipe out, I would say. Okay. There you go. Now next step is to take this pipe out. Okay, as you can see, there's a thing here which you'll need to rotate, and then it'll come off like this, and then you will be able to pull this out. And there's some water left, so make sure you have a bowl or something to keep underneath. I didn't keep it. I just got one here. I wasn't prepared. And some dirt here as well. There's some water. Okay, so just pull this hose out and keep this aside. And it has some water in it, so just make sure it's dry before you fit in. Okay, so our hose is out. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now we're gonna unscrew these ones here, and then similarly follow these the hose up here and unscrew these two, and then so that we can get inside this part. Okay. Okay, so we've got the screws out here. Now all you need to do is, for these ones, just pull it down like that. And actually this thing comes off as well, so as you can see here, I am almost done there. Now I just have to pull this hose out and this hose out, and then fit into my new water housing, okay? Now the next step would be to take this clip out of this little housing. Let's do this. I don't think I can do with my one hand. I'll have to use both of my hands, and I'll show you afterwards, okay? Okay, like you did earlier, all you need to do is just take this clip out and then pull this hose. Now we have both the hoses out, this one and then the short one. Now I'm gonna go in the front and then unscrew the little box, the cover, and then pull the hose from the inside and then fit my new hose, okay? So we're here. Now all you need to do is, there's a little nail here, right here, that you need to unscrew and then pull this cover out and then pull this thing out, okay? Okay, here we go. It's that easy. Once the screw is out, that will come off, and all you need to do now is separate this white part from this gray part by pulling it out, and then this whole thing will come out, and then that's what you're going to change, okay? Okay, your cover is out now, and make sure you just have to slide it toward yourself to pull this out. Don't break it. In order to fix something else, don't break it another thing. So be careful with this one. Now all we need to do is, like I said, we just need to pull this nicely, and that's it. And you're going to change this one now. So I'm going to tell you what exactly had broken. So this is the filter head, as you can see, and I had actually broken it one more time before, which I had glued it together, and as you can see, it's glued together. But at that time I didn't have to disassemble like this, okay? I just glued it over there. But now what it looks like, it's separating. That's why my filter is not working properly, okay? So that's the problem. I'm going to change the entire thing, and everything is going to be okay. Okay, so I've got the new one in. Make sure this one goes inside, so the gray little thing here goes inside. So make sure you slide it very carefully. And I reused the same sponge that was from my old one, just to, you know, keep it safe here, and make sure the two hoses are there. And then you just have to put it back like that. And when you put it back, make sure it fits correctly. Like for instance, this little thing here, the round thing here, goes right here. Okay, where it is, this one, this U-shaped thing, okay? So when you're putting it back, make sure it's correctly placed. And I think once you try to put it back, you'll exactly hit the spot, otherwise it won't fit correctly. So yeah, I'm gonna use both of my hands now, and I'll show you later. So I finally put this in, and this was a little tough one for me because this one wouldn't just let it sit there. You know, it was very tough. I don't know how would you guys be able to find it, but for me it was very tough. So I put the new filter head, and let's see. I'm gonna go and put those nails back on the back of the fridge, and I'll just show you after I restart my water, and then turn the fridge on, and then if it filters correctly or not, okay? And one more thing, I'm gonna fit this here in the small hose to this one here, and then put the rest of the stuff back. Okay, so it's here, and don't forget to clip it in. And now I'm gonna put everything else back. So I put everything back, this one, this one, this one, and also inserted the long hose to that one, and also clipped it. Now I'm gonna put this thing back and show you. Okay, I've plugged in, I've turned the water supply on, I've put all the things back. So I'm dispensing some water. I'm trying to see if I have a leak. No, there's no water leak. So I'm good. So that was it for changing the housing, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. Bye.